Good morning, children. So, children, let's start with English Bal Bharti Standard Third. So, children, for better understanding, open your books. So, children's today's chapter name is Go and Come. From this both word, what you understand? Go and come. Both are the words which are given for a command. So, this tell that it is a commanding words. Okay, children. So, before starting the chapter, I want to give a brief case about this chapter. So, children, do you see this uncle? Yes, there is a boy in this chapter who has a garden, and this uncle has come to live with his family. Do you see this child? Yes, she is her mother. So, children, one time what's happened, the uncle tell the child that there is weeding in your garden, so go and remove that weeding from the garden. But what happened, that child said that uncle, I don't want to remove that weeding, today is a nice day, so I am enjoying. So the uncle was very hardworking, so he goes from there. But the child the child become upset. The child become upset because he had break the heart of his uncle. So he was unhappy. By saying this, her mother said that what happened to you? Then the child tell the whole story to her mother. The mother laugh and tell her that would you like to come with me for removing the weeding? So weeding means are the plants, unwanted plants which are grown in the garden. So unwanted plants we have to remove only, na? We don't want that. So weeding means unwanted plants. Okay. So let's start with our chapter. Second chapter, Go and Come. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty cottage. Cottage means a small house. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden. In that garden, many types of plants were growing, and so there was a lot of work. So there was lot of work with her mother to do there. The plant had to be watered every day. The plant need water, na? So they used to put water for a plant. They had to be given manure from time to time. So for better growth of plant, they used to give water and manure. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. The garden needing weeding and cleaning. So children, I taught you na that what is weeding and what is cleaning. Cleaning, do you know na? Weeding is a unwanted plant, and cleaning means to make a land clean. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle. What I said? This is uncle. He is very strict. Who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work. He used to do hard work, yeah, uncle. And he was disciplined. One day, he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. Little boy, said the uncle, you will be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. He told that in your garden there are weedings and you are able to work for it. Go now and weed it. He said that go and weed that plant like a good boy. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. I can't do it, he said. The child had said that I can't do it. Oh, yes, you can, said the uncle. Well, I don't want to. Not just now, said the little boy. But you must, said his uncle. The uncle was forcing him to do the weeding, remove the weeding from the garden. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. He was thinking that his uncle was doing unfair with him. His chain began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Welled up means in his eyes the tears was calmed. Just then his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? So the child was looking like an unhappy child. Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. Next page. Oh, said his mother. What fun that will be. I love to weed and it is such a fine day. So mother tell that I will do a weeding. Can I come and help you weeding? The child also said that can I come with you? Why yes, said the boy. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. Mother said that, come with me. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. And two of them weeded the garden beautifully. Both of them had weeded the garden and it was cleaned by very beautifully and had a very good time together working and chatting and laughing. Both them were doing work by chatting and laughing, that they were doing work by happily. Okay, so there are two words that adopted. So what is that two words? Let's check. Adapted from go and come. Okay, and the writer's name was by Laura E. Richards. Okay, so word meanings: cottage, a small simple house. We usually see cottage in a rural area. Rural area means village area, town side area. Okay, manure, material mixed with soil to help plants grow. This manure is very useful for the plant, by which the growth of plant gets increased. Pruned, removed dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them grow. So it is the unwanted dead plants. Okay, so we have to remove it for the help of growth of plant. Weeding is a removing troublesome unwanted plants from a field or garden. Okay, unwanted plants means which plants we don't want in between gardens, so we remove it. Sadly, badly, very much. Use with word like needed and or wanted. So children, sadly word you can also use with needed or wanted. Okay, welled up means filled with water, tears. Okay, things to do: first, answer the following questions. So children, I will discuss this question and you have to write your own answers. A, was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? क्या ये गलत था उस बच्चे को गार्डन में काम करने के लिए? So children, for this question the answer will be no. It was wrong. So children, what will you use? Yes or no? So children, in this the sentence is only in negative, so you can use yes and no. Okay, so in this what will you use? Yes, it was wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden, and we have to give reason also, because he was alone in the garden and he also want a guidance from a bigger person. So answer for this was this. B, was the boy naughty? Children, what do you think, that the child was naughty? No. So what you will write in for this answer? No, the boy was not naughty. Okay. So next question. C, did the boy's mother want him to work? उसकी मम्मी चाहती थी कि वो काम करे? Yes, because the mother wants him to work because she think that he is able to work, but he needs a guidance from his elders. Okay, then second part. Second, find and write the line that tells us the following. So children, the lines are given below and we have to find and write what the lines tell us about. A, how the boy's family took care of the garden. So children, we have read that the boy's family was taking care by putting water manure and doing weeding and cleaning. So these four words you have to write in this. First, they used to give water, manure, and they used to clean the weeding, okay, and they used to cleaned also. Then B, the little boy was about to cry. Why the little boy was crying? Because he thought that the uncle was doing unfair with him. C, the boy and his mother worked happily and well. So children, by what the boy and the mother were doing work with happily and well? Because the child wants a guidance from a elder, and they were what they were doing? Chatting and laughing together. Chatting and laughing together, okay? So next third, write any two request orders, first using go and then using come. Let's, which one would you use? So children, you can use any word from this: go, come, let's. Only one, okay? So children, do you see this? So children, in this there is a use of go. Yes, we have to use go. So I have chosen the word go. Okay, go. So we have to form a in request form. So what we have to do? We have to frame a sentence in direct then indirect. So why? So in direct sentence there is, why don't you go to the doctor? He said. So it is a direct sentence in which we use go. Then in indirect, we have to form in request or ordered. So we have making suggestion. So he suggested I go to the doctor, and we can frame like these words also. He suggested that I go to the doctor. He suggested I should go to the doctor. Or he suggested that I should go to the doctor. So children, these are the words which we have used go, and we have framed in the request form, request order, okay? Then children, fourth one, copy the words. So children, you have to copy in your copies, notebooks, okay? Copy all these words. DIFFERENT, different. BELIEVED, believed. Discipline. DISCIPLINE, discipline. Naughty, NAUGHTY, naughty. READILY, readily. So children, last fifth, write 3 or 5 lines about any grown up person you like. Also write how you spend time with that person. So children, it is for your homework. So in this, you have to write about a grown up person which you like. You can take an example of your grandmother or grandfather, your uncle. So children, I have given a hint for you. So also write how you spend time with that person. So how you spend time with that person? By playing games or by doing cooking. Anything you have to discuss, you have to write in this. Okay, that's for the today. Thank you.